Hi, first grade. Hope you had an awesome Thanksgiving. So we're going to start off, as always, with rhyming. The adult will say the three words, black, clack, glad. And you'll say the two that rhyme, black, clack. Now, it's not always going to be the first two, so pay attention to the rhyming words. Next up, they're going to say the two words, and you have to say the beginning sound. So sleep, slippery, the blend, soul. Next up, they are going to chop, and you are going to blend. So the adult will say b, o, a, and you blend it together to black. And then the last thing on this first page is finding the middle sound. So they'll ask you, what's the middle sound in bless? And you'll say eh. What's the middle sound in clock? And you'll say ah. It's always going to be that vowel sound. On page 2, they will read the word, and then you need to chop the word. So they'll say flip, and you can go o, e, flip. After you chop it, you are going to get the end of the word, lant, and then add p, plant. They'll say late. You say late, add s, slate. And then you're going to do the opposite. So you're going to take it away. The adult will say blonde. You say blonde without b, blonde. Clock. You say clock without k, lock. And then on the very last page, my favorite one, where we change, we substitute. So the first one is low. You say low, and they'll say change ul to sul, and then you say slow. They'll say slow. You say slow, change sul to sh. All right, guys, have an awesome week, and if you have any questions, let us know.